Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with essential checks and the first fixes. First, confirm your connection, Wi-Fi versus cellular and airplane mode off, because Twitter needs a live link. Once done, force close the app and reopen it to reset transient errors. Make sure to try web. Twitter. COM in a browser to isolate app versus network problems. Then clear the app cache or your browser cache and cookies to remove corrupted files that commonly block page loads. Next, dive into network and account details that cause deeper failures. Change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and reboot the router to rule out name resolution issues because DNS errors can stop pages from loading. Also disable any VPN, proxy, or custom hosts entries since those can block Twitter domains. Once disabled, test again. Finally, sign out of Twitter and sign back in. Finish with reinstall and isolation steps to resolve stubborn issues. Uninstall and reinstall the Twitter app, then install any pending OS updates because corrupted app files or outdated software often block loading. If problems persist, test Twitter on another device or a different network to pinpoint whether the issue is device, account, or network related. If none of this works, capture the exact error message or behavior, restart your router once more, and provide those details to support for focused troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.